will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Airbnb app, or just click on search. Then here add Airbnb app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so just click on first stop, then you click here on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here. So then here you will find clear cache, just click on it. So then all you have to do, so you just when you're down, so clear cache here, it's front of clear data, so I don't have it here, but it's going to show for you, just click on it. Then you go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then you search for Airbnb app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here, if you click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.